How you doing today, Mr. Gideon?
How you doing, Barkeep?
I'm doing good.
What we got today?
Got a little jam, you know. There you go, sir.
Thank you. You
So how was your day?
It was like yours.
Well, I'm good.
When you say kind of something wrong, what's wrong?
Maybe it's power to the wall. Stuff breaking, but you know, different things. Yeah. Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay. Give me the money. Got more than enough. I'm gonna do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. Talk to y'all.
Clarence, why are you doing this? Did I do something I shouldn't have? Why this? Why now?
Why not?
Take the money. I don't need it.
I know you don't. Archie said no. See those vending machines over there?
Yeah.
I want the money out of them. Nah.
I don't think.
You mean I can pay today?
Okay. I think we have one. Put your hands up. Freeze.
Freeze, sir.
Stand up silently. Put your hands behind your back. Follow me. Quiet, leave him to the car. Why are you pushing back? Go forward.
Water, sir.
You're not that drunk.
You smell like alcohol and beer.
Get in there.
And stay.
We're now starting the case, Gideon versus the state of Florida.
I understand that there was a witness to my crime. Mr. Cook, please come to the stand. Now, Mr. Cook, tell me what you saw.
I saw Mr. Gideon come out with a pound of wine and a lot of money at 5:30 in the morning.
But Mr. Cook, to see this, you had to be outside at 5:30 in the morning. Why were you outside?
I stayed at a party that was all night long.
Okay, I'm sorry, I can't do this. I don't have a lawyer representing me. I would like to ask the state of Florida to appoint one for me.
Mr. Gideon, I'm sorry, but I cannot appoint counsel to represent you in this case. Under the laws of the state of Florida, the only time the court can appoint counsel to represent a defendant is when...
But the United States Supreme Court says that I am entitled to counsel.
After deliberation, has the jury reached a verdict? After deliberation, has the jury reached a verdict?
With the jury, we find the defendant guilty as charged.
You are hereby sentenced to 5 years in prison.
I brought you some new books.
Thank you.
I think I don't want this one.
Thank you for getting me these books out of the prison library.
You're welcome, sir.
Now I send this to the Florida State Supreme Court.
Hey.
Oh, wait.
This kid thinks he really needs to get out. Denied.
Denied? Oh, no. Oh, well. I'll start a letter to the Supreme Court. I'm pretty sure they'll accept this. All in favor of overturning this conviction, raise your hand and say aye.
Aye.
So they agree with me. They overturn my conviction. They say that the right to counsel is fundamental, which is what I tried to explain to the Florida State Supreme Court. They say, in our system of justice, any person too poor to hire a lawyer cannot be assured a fair trial unless counsel is provided for him. This seems to us to be an obvious truth. Lawyers in criminal cases are necessities, not luxuries. Officer!
Yes, sir. How may I help you?
Oh, they overturned my conviction. Guess what? I'm out! You may have noticed that the defendant in this case had not been read his Miranda rights. The case of Gideon versus Wainwright, a landmark Supreme Court case, occurred in 1963. Another landmark case, Miranda versus Arizona, did not occur until 1966. But the rights that Gideon was given are read in the Miranda rights of today.
I'm just a kid who's poor. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Kai.
Hey, my money long like Caillou, and I swag like Caillou. Stay fresh to death like Caillou. Nigga, who are you? I'm Caillou. Get paper just like Caillou. I'm on the block like Caillou. I grind hard like Caillou. Bring in the green like Caillou. I'm so real like Caillou.
Let's go get him. I think we got one. Freeze! 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 Put your hands up! Freeze! Come on, put your shirt to my shirt now. You coming with us?
Yeah.
And
We're now beginning the case Gideon versus the state of Florida.
Okay. Now, I understand that we have a witness. I'd like to call him to the stand. But the United States Supreme Court says that I am entitled to counsel.
After deliberation, has the jury reached a verdict?
okay, we're the jury.
You may have noticed that the